Happy Monday morning here. This is Josh, Sin City Mechanic Man. I got a Ford Taurus brought in over the weekend, and the complaint when I got here was that she kept having to have it jump. So first thing I did was walked out, popped the hood. Well, first thing I hit the key and realized it had absolutely nothing. So I popped the hood to put a charger on it and realized that her terminal was actually broke off. So as you can see here, I got a set of vice grips holding it on there to the positive, so I could get it brought in here. And first thing I did was get my little cheap OEM meter out here. As you can see, the battery test, this is the alternator voltage actually, is showing 11.4 volts. I'm sorry, that's the battery. Shows the battery is good. That's 71% health right now. But my alternator is only putting out 11.12 volts. Ideally, on a normal alternator, anything I've ever dealt with, 13.8 to 14.2 is standard. That's ideal. If you get down into the 12s, especially 11, alternator's not charging enough. If you get over 15, now you're looking at high voltage coming out, and or amperage, whatever you want to call it. And a lot of times that will cause your battery to boil over. Anyway, just a little helpful tip, hit of advice. Hit your multimeter on the terminal coming out of your alternator here, and see what your amperage coming out is. Like I said, this is 11.12. Definitely not enough. Got to get her a new alternator put on and fix this lug. Anyway, just a quick video. Let me know how you like it. If you like it, dislike it, whatever. I'm just starting this channel out, so just trying to help anybody out that may have a little helpful hit of advice or need a helpful hit of advice. Once again, this is Josh. Thanks for watching.